Hello, this is Teacher R. Real the real talk. Okay, what a wonderful life. Today I'll be happy to teach you on how to use Google Classroom in your mobile phone. Most especially our students in public school right now, most especially don't have laptops, so you can use mobile phone, and most especially this time of pandemic. This tool is very useful in your classes. So in order for you to submit files or subject requirements. So before that, you have to, or you'll be needing these three things in order for you to use Google Classroom. So first, you have to have internet connection or data. Next, you have to make sure that you have Gmail account. So you will be signing in with your Gmail account so that you can use the classroom. And most especially, your teacher will be giving you classroom code or Google Classroom code so that you can join classes. Example is there below, P73ZNIR. That's an example of a code. So you can use that so that you can join classroom. And later I'll be teaching you on how to use that code so that you will be able to join classes, or you can, as a teacher, you have to create your own class. So first, we have to go to google.com. This app, Google. You can search Google Classroom, type Google Classroom, or you can go directly to classroom.google.com. So this Google Classroom, there it will lead you to your Google Classroom. So here, this is an example of the Google Classroom. So these are for my classes here, and for the classes that I attended for my master's degree. So there. So I will be using another account, this one. So you have to sign in first. There you enter your email account, then your password, then you can go to this classroom. And as you can see, nothing inside. There's an arrow here. Create or join your first class. So create meaning you're the teacher. You join, you're the student. You have to pick your role, either a student or a teacher. So I'll be playing as a student. So here, you click this plus sign here. Okay, this plus sign is you use that. You choose join class or create class. So since I'm a student, you have to join class. From there, you can enter as your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. So that's what I have said. So a while ago, we have here an example. So we have to select this and copy. Then we have to enter the Google class code. So I'll be entering the class code. Okay, there. So join class, then enter the class code. You can also switch account. There, then you click join. There, you're already joining. So once you're able to enter the code, okay, you're able to join there. So this is the classroom that I created also for my students. There you can upload the picture, but I didn't upload anything though. So the subject there is TLE and I am the teacher. So this is under the advisory of Miss Bonsica. So these are my students here who are asking questions, anything no, about your classrooms can be seen in the stream. But if you want to know what are the things that you have to accomplish in that particular subject, you have to click classroom work. There you can see the things that you have to accomplish for module 1, module 2, module 3. These are examples that we have to accomplish, no? If you want to really specifically know what are the things to do, you have to click, no? Say for example this one there, this was assigned November 6 pa, no? So you have to view assignment. So click view assignment, then there it says submit your video picture about making wire splices and joints here. So you have to click this plus sign add or create. Then you have to click file. This pin sign, paper pin sign, file, no? You can submit by browsing the file. Make sure that the file that you will be submitting is already saved, no, in your mobile phone. Say for example the word or the video or the pictures are already saved in your phone. So let's say for example here, so I'll be submitting this. For example, I'll be submitting here. So you can choose, no, in your storage, either in your drive or videos. So for example, I'll be submitting this one, this video. So there you have to upload it and wait that it will be uploaded. Okay, so from there it's already uploading. There you go. Once you're done uploading the video, all you have to do is to press or click turn in here, this blue part, turn in there and turn in. So you're turning in, it means that it will be, an email will be sent to your teacher that you were able to submit the task or assignment. So he will be reminded. Then you can also send a comment privately or publicly in your class. There you can write, "Done, sir. Thanks. Thank you." There. Send the comment. Okay? So there. And you can also, yeah, so it's already turned in. And you'll wait for the teacher to give you the grade, because the teacher will just check it and will put the grade. So there it's written there, 100 points, and the rubric is already presented. So you'll just wait, and an email also will be sent to you once it's graded. Okay, so let's try to check the classroom. So we're done with the stream, the classroom work, and lastly the people. So the people there, we have your teacher and your classmates. So we have 25 students here. These are your classmates. So as easy as that. So you can actually submit your work, your task as easy as that. Very organized, rather than using the messenger or Facebook messenger, because students, our young students, will be exposed to social media compared to this. And this is very organized. We don't have to back read so that we can check their work. Unlike to this one, there will be emails sent. There will be verifications or email verification so that you will be informed and reminded that the students are already they were able to submit, and also students will be also reminded that their work were checked and graded. So if you have more questions or suggestions, please comment down below. And as much as possible, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. This is Teacher R, who wants to make you wonder. And I thank you.